unboxing. Well, you know I have been having a box right here, so we can do an unboxing. Hopefully, the item that I will be unboxing is in here. Don't know. Has not been opened. Doesn't sound like Legos. We get a lot of those. Let's see here. And yes, I'm sorry, fans. I do have my reading glasses today, so I can read the love letters. Oh, excellent. The box is addressed to me. It's coming from Walmart. That's the place I expect this device to come from. And for the life of me, I cannot remember the name of the device. I just looked at it. Oh, doesn't matter. You just want to see an unboxing. Less talking. Okay. Be a little safer this time opening the box for you Boy Scouts in the crowd. You know who I'm talking to. Okay, well, let's see what we got here. Yes, it is the item I was expecting to unbox. We have a Dynalink Android TV box. Box looks nice. Kind of a flat red. Not bad though. Looks good. I have been testing, see if I pronounce this correct, the Xomi Me Android TV box. I think that's how you pronounce it. I'm sure somebody will let me know. Anyways, I've been testing that for 2 weeks, and I will be comparing this device to that device to the many Amazon Fire TV devices I've had over the years, and a few other devices, including Roku and the Windows Media Center. May it rest in peace. I love that thing. Anyway, okay, enough about me and my devices. Let's see how we open this bad boy up. Again, scissors. Or for those of you who are more advanced, you probably could get away with a knife. But, you know, they won't let me have a knife. So I gotta make do with scissors. Of course, I'm probably doing this wrong. Oh, kind of. Not. Okay, let's see what we got here. Pulls out nicely, came undone nicely. Put this out here so all of you can enjoy. Only bummer is that Dynalink is a little hard to read. Needs a little more pop. Probably be, if it was bigger, maybe outline would be better. Ooh, my favorite quick start guides. Have never used one of these before in my life. I'm not going to start right now. Okay, the box is nicely packaged. Looks good. Everything looks very compact. Let's take a look. I did maim it a little, pulling it out. Comes with batteries. That's always a scary thing with me. The remote was inside of a cardboard sleeve. That's cool. Okay, looks pretty reasonable. Nothing too fancy. There's one complaint I have about the Xomi Me box is the battery door on the remote. This one's not great either, but at least it latches closed nicely. It's probably the most important thing, so the batteries don't fall out. Here's the box itself, plastic wrapped. Looks pretty good. Like the size, it's compact. Nice weight for its size. Says what it is on top. It looks pretty good. HDMI, USB, power, and probably an LED on the side. Nice. You guys want to see the box, probably. Yes. Not the packaging, right? We'll just put that here. Ooh, I'll show you the batteries. That's really important. Maybe I can zoom in on those in post-editing. Reminder, zoom in. Okay, let's take a look at the rest of the packaging. There is a little bit of wasted space in here. Not too much though, not too bad. considering I only paid $29.50 for this, really can't complain. It's pretty good. The packaging is pretty darn good. Comes with your standard USB power, including short HDMI. Looks about 6 inches, maybe. Yeah, call it 6 inches. That's all you need. And more and more people are using rubber bands, which I kind of like. I don't like those twisties and burn out. Oh, it's a cute little one. Yeah, I said cute. Yeah, it's a nice feeling HDMI. Yeah, it feels very sturdy. Almost it feels like a Ethernet cord. Okay, and that is it. There's no other manual. There's no other information. I didn't get my love letter from the FCC. I'm really heartbroken. Usually there's something from the FCC. Nothing. Wonder if the new iPhone 12, is it, that can kill you if you have a pacemaker? Wonder if they have an FCC warning with that. Way to go, Apple. Okay. Yep, everything that says that I should have, I have. Doesn't say the batteries are green, but, you know, that's okay. Same thing, troubleshooting. Ooh, it's got buttons for that. Oh, it does have a safety and FCC thing. Aww, how nice of them. And yes, that little dot on the side next to the power button, which I'm not pointing at, now I am, is an LED, for those of you who are not concerned. Okay, well, I'm excited to try this. I'm going to go plug it in right after I'm done. One thing initially off the top of my head, I really like it has a Google Play button. That's pretty cool. My Exoni Me does not. But it has all the rest of the buttons. Anyways, so this has been an unboxing of these three. Just make sure I get it right. The Dynalink Android TV box. And I'll be having a comparison later with the other Android box and Fire TVs and my experience with media centers and Roku players and the gamut. So, thank you for watching. Please remember to subscribe, share, and like. And until next time.
Left engine.